Connect Pro is the replacement of Iport Launch. The system is comprised of the familiar components, case, base, wall station, and has all the same features of Iport Launch. But that's just the beginning. Connect Pro has been 100% re-engineered from the ground up. The system utilizes our new Iport Connect platform. The Connect platform is a series of interfaces with deep underlying technologies that support the next generation of mobile device charging and connectivity. The result is a system that supports wireless charging and magnetic mounting for all iPad models, including iPad Air and iPad Pro with USB-C. This is something that just wasn't possible before with our existing Iport product. In the wall, the Connect Pro wall station can be powered via 2-wire, using the same cabling as Iport Launch. This makes upgrading from Iport Launch to Connect Pro wall station as easy as possible. You can also use PoE Plus to power the Connect Pro wall station with the available PoE Plus upgrade module. The module literally snaps on to the back of the wall station, and it was painstakingly engineered to fit even the smallest of wall boxes around the world. In fact, we went a step further and have created a new standard wall install spec for Iport: single gang box and single cat, anywhere on the planet. This includes single gang Euro and UK boxes. You can now use this spec for pre-wire and space reservation for any new wall-mountable Iport product we release in the future. On the table, Connect Pro base station can be powered with its own power supply or optionally with the available PoE Plus upgrade module. This gives you more power options on the table than ever before. The base station also contains its own integrated locking system, which supports temporary or permanent fixed install of case to base. All Connect Pro products have been completely re-sculpted. We deliberated over every contour, millimeter, to deliver a significant aesthetic improvement over the original Iport Launch system. Connect Pro cases are now symmetrical, with no speaker grills on the front face. This allows for a case that looks great when mounted onto a wall. In fact, our cases for iPad Pro have a completely new design with the slimmest bezel we've ever conceived. It looks amazing and allows for the great design of iPad Air and iPad Pro to really shine through. The base and wall stations have also been reduced to striking minimalist designs. The Connect Pro system is ready for the future, with a platform that supports charging and connectivity for the mobile devices of the next 10 years. And with support for some exciting new features to come, like hardwired data when docked. You can order a Connect Pro system for iPad mini and iPad 8th Gen now, and they ship in October. Just a few months after that, Connect Pro cases for iPad Air and iPad Pro will be shipping in January. Well, I can't wait for you to experience Iport Connect Pro, the future of mobility and connectivity for iPad, iPad Air, and iPad Pro.